My name's Joshua Presta. I studied plumbing. I did actually learn so much throughout TAFE. It was a great experience, to be honest. The teachers were amazing. So before I started my apprenticeship, I was actually working for my father, who has a company in civil construction. At the time, I was actually really enjoying that work, but I just kind of wanted to learn something different because I could know I could always maybe go back to that. While I was doing my plumbing though, that mindset changed quickly because I realised if I wanted to get far in this field, I have to put all my eggs in the one basket, and I'm so rapt I have because now I'm seeing the fruits of the labour. So yeah, no, it's really awesome. I am quite loud and sometimes maybe a bit of a presence, but to be honest, yeah, I am the type of guy that whether I'm working or whether I'm talking to people, I really want the best for everyone, and having that mindset and that attitude, you get the best out of everyone around you. To follow through with something, to me, shows perseverance in what you're doing. So the fact that I started and finished something, that's with me forever, as with this award, and that's why I'm so happy to have it, because my future kids may go into a trade. Well, it's also something I can tell them as well. We got to live up to, so.